Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to manage contacts in your Gmail account. First open your internet browser, then go to www.gmail.com. This will open your Gmail inbox if you are already logged in. Then click the app option icon on the top right. Click contacts in pop-up. Find the contact you want to edit on your contact list. Click the pen icon next to your contact name. Edit your contact's information. You can add new details to this contact here and update their old information. Click Save. Click Contacts. If you delete any contact, then click the three-dot icon next to your contact name. Then click Delete on the menu. Click Delete in the confirmation pop-up. This will confirmation your action and delete the selected contact from your contact list. Please like this video, subscribe our channel and press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.